Erica Soto-Nauta, and I teach in San Diego Unified School District at Portola Middle School. I teach 6th through 8th grade English, and I've been teaching for 19 years. Some of the hobbies that I like to engage in are creative writing, home improvement projects, exercise, and painting. Some of the reasons why I like these activities are because it gives me a chance to really de-stress, and it builds energy that pours right into all avenues of my life, including my work with students. This platform that has been given to me of Teacher of the Year, this title, has been very invigorating and fun for me, partly because I really do love communicating with other educators and inspiring people and bouncing ideas off of each other. That's been really fun for me. One of the things that I really like to touch on is how important it is to have a meaningful, positive rapport with your students. And that's one of the reasons why I feel like I have been so positive during this time, is because I'm seeing that all the work that I put into building rapport is paying off. My students are Zooming with me. My students are logging in and doing assignments, and they have such a positive attitude. And I really believe that's because we have this mutual respect for each other that we've had all year. A tip that I would give educators is to just pick a few platforms that you didn't have in your repertoire before and hone in on those. For example, in my classroom over the years, I've been using Canvas and Google Classroom. I pushed out lessons that had Screencastify on them so students could replay the lesson when they needed to. And then I also used things like Scholastic News, because it has this text-to-speech feature where my special ed students and my English language learners really benefit from that extra support, and so do many other students. So since I had that down, now I'm honing in on Flipgrid. I'm getting really good at using Zoom and ListenWise. And so these are just a few examples of ways that I'm starting to jump in and use new technologies that I started on May 16th, and I plan to continue to use these different technologies, and maybe I'll learn something in the next few weeks that I can incorporate not only now but in the future when we go back into the classroom. A phrase that really stands out to me is that we write the pages of our life story. And that is so true right now, because we have a choice to think positively and wake up each morning with the lens of, what am I going to do today that's going to be positive and using my time wisely? And so that's what I'm doing right now, and making sure that I communicate to my students that I'm right now an example of what a lifelong learner is, and they're learning alongside with me. And so I let them know that I need them just as much as they need me, because every time I push out an assignment and they are working on that assignment, they give me feedback, and then I'm able to tune things for the future, which is really exciting to learn new things with others. And I look forward to the day when we can all meet each other in person. Have a great day.